Hello and welcome. In this video, I'm going to share with you how to create a sub account. So a sub account is basically a whole new profile page that sits under your membership subscription. So this can be used for a special project, such as a business group or business networking group, a online course that you're collaborating with someone else with. It might be a secondary business like an e-commerce website. Anything that kind of relates back to what we're trying to achieve with Marketing Broker Australia, making it easier for people to find and learn about marketers and marketing in general. So if you've got other businesses, other special projects that you think will be helpful, then feel free to create a sub account, which is available for our top 2 membership tiers. So I'm logged in as Marketing Broker Australia, and I'm actually going to create a sub account for one of our networking groups that we manage, which is LinkedIn Local Sunshine Coast. So let's jump in. So yes, active. This is an organization. Yeah. I'm going to put it under my business partner's name, so under Matthew. So LinkedIn Local Sunshine Coast. It's the same phone number as what we use for our business. And I do need to add actually networking groups, so I will add that in. So for now, I'll just put in traditional marketing and then email. So this one is LinkedIn Local at pdbsunshinecourse.com.au. And I'll just put in a simple password for now, but I will change before this video goes live. In terms of location, this is hosted in the Budrum Tavern. Cool, and we go save and continue. So now we've basically created the basic information of our sub account. Alright, so let's now log into LinkedIn Local Sunshine Coast. So now we can now edit. Basically, it's a whole new dashboard just for this. Now we can jump in and edit. Right, so the information I shared earlier are all here. And this will pop up in search, right? So you just want like a nice little statement that explains what it is. Still there in terms of Budrum Tavern. We can put in the different website links and social links as well. Which do I have shortcutted? Yeah, so we've got Facebook and LinkedIn. In terms of website, the events are actually saved there. Cool. Now it does bring in the information from your master account, so we'll keep that photo for now, but I do want to change the logo to LinkedIn. So let's just add that. Yeah. And we can upload a cover image as well. So, what you use on LinkedIn is probably ideal in terms of appropriate dimensions. Right, so that's fine. Let's just check to make sure. Yeah, that works. Cool, so we continue. Right, so again, I'll put in exactly what it relates to, but for now we'll do networking groups, personal motto. Cool, and all of this information you can pull from your own website, all about your group. You know, you want to keep it simple. Right. Cool, just a bit of background, save and continue. Obviously for this one, it's just the Sunshine Coast. Great, and that's it. Now I've created a sub account. And you know, as I log into this account, what you can see here, I can go back to the parent account. You'll also see, so let's do that. Let's go back to the parent account. You'll have the option to switch between the two dashboards, so you can manage your accounts, right, all in one spot. So if we go back into sub accounts, right, and we can then log into sub account and edit. So you might, like, so for LinkedIn Local, I might want to share some photos, I might want to share some blogs, I might want to post the event, you know, the next event for that one directly, all done through that blog. So it's just a great way of managing multiple profiles. So that's it. That's how to create a sub account on Marketing Broker Australia. If you've got any other questions, feel free to reach out to me, Luke at marketingbroker.com.au. Thank you for watching. Bye.